Okay, tonight's the Super Bowl. This might give me a chance to see my Thunder baby. And I might get a chance at the T22.
Oh no. Tonight is the Super Bowl. I'm afraid 1003 will see me, if I don't hide somewhere. And to T22, you may want to hide too.
Hey, we can disguise ourselves as other sirens that have voices that sound similar to ours. Just like we did in 2017 New Year's Day.
Okay, now we gotta disguise ourselves.
Okay.
Okay, now we're ready to watch the Super Bowl without being recognized by 1003 or 3T22.
Yeah. Unless they somehow find us. And also there is a difference between your blower and Hurricane's blower. And that is that Hurricane's is mounted vertical and yours is mounted horizontal. Now let's go watch the Super Bowl with 1003, 3T22, Whalen, T128, and 2001.
Oh look, it's Hurricane SD10. Ready to watch the Super Bowl with us?
Yes, we all are. I bet for the Chicago Thunderbolts to win.
Hey, where's 3T22?
She couldn't come for the Super Bowl today. She had to run some errands.
I feel bad right now.
Oh, that's sad. Anyways, let's watch the Super Bowl. I bet for the Whalens, because Thunderbolts always win.
Right, Thunderbolts win.
Oh, I wish Thunderbolt would come.
J to T22. It's working. She didn't even recognize me. Okay, let's go.
Hello. Welcome to this year's Super Bowl. I'm your host, 2001 SRN. OMG. It's one of my bros. This year's Super Bowl will be a competition between the Chicago Thunderbolts and the Milwaukee Whalens. Okay, now on to the game. Wow. It looks like the Thunderbolts already got their first touchdown.
Yay. My team got their first touchdown.
Well, it looks like the Thunderbolts and Whalens are already competing over each other. Woo. The Whalens also got their first touchdown. Now we'll be back after this commercial.
Okay, good. A commercial. Now I can go get us all Tempest Colas. Can I get a doctor and a trader? Sure, Whalen.
Okay, now we're back on once again with the Super Bowl and the Thunderbolts already got 3 touchdowns. And the Whalens have 2. As you look on the field, the two teams are struggling to get another touchdown. Holy crap. The Thunderbolts just got their 4th touchdown. Thanks to Usain Thunderbolt.
Yes. My team got their 4th touchdown.
Oh. And the Whalens just got their 3rd touchdown.
Oh yeah.
Well, it looks like the Thunderbolts already got 6 touchdowns, and the Whalens only have 4. And now it looks like the Thunderbolts already got their 7th touchdown.
Yes. My team is winning.
Now, let's hope the Whalens get their 5th touchdown. And the Whalens got their 5th touchdown.
Awesome. I think my team might win. No way. My team is definitely gonna win. Wanna have a Tempest Cola? Or maybe a doctor and a trader? We don't care. You drink whatever you want.
And we're back on track again with our 2 Super Bowl teams. The Thunderbolts have 11 touchdowns. And the Whalens only have 7 touchdowns. Let's see how the 2 teams are doing. The Thunderbolts now have 12 touchdowns and the Whalens have 8. Oh. The Whalens just scored another touchdown. The Whalens now have 9 touchdowns. The Thunderbolts still have 12 touchdowns. And the Thunderbolts just scored their 13th touchdown, winning the game.
Well, I hope you had fun watching the Super Bowl. Okay, wait a second.
I think she's onto us.
Don't think you're fooling me again with your stupid disguises, Thunderbolt Entity 22.
I'm a siren, my lord!
Now get the over here, Thunder Baby.
Oh no. Not again.